Hey guys, Robot Logan Toy Reviews here, and today I'm going to be reviewing something very special. Dun dun! Geek Fuel! Let's see what's inside. I'm going to give you guys a view here. Okay, so the paper. Oh, we have Fallen. It's a Steam game, $20 value. I'm definitely going to play this. Seems epic. Let's see what else we have here. Ooh, Doctor Who! I love Doctor Who. Very, very good TV show. Ooh, definitely gonna read this comic. Let's see what else we have here. Ooh, we have a Captain America shield sticker. Let's see what else. Oh, we have a shirt. I'm gonna put this on. Maybe I go with the shield where Captain America has a shield. Now this is epic. The brawl to settle it all. Except Captain America's probably gonna win because he has a shiny shield, you know. So this shirt is just like Rock'em Sock'em Robots. So Captain America is the blue bomber and Iron Man is the red rocker. Press the button. Press the button. Oops, I decapitated Captain America. Okay, this is epic. It's the most epic shirt ever. Sticker's great too, it goes right with the shirt. So let's see what else we have. So we have The Doctor Travels Through Art History. Man, look at these amazing coasters. Such great pieces of artwork. Even better with Doctor Who in the background. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, we have a Star Wars First Order Stormtrooper bobblehead. Seems amazing. Get that there. So cool. Let's see. There is their magazine. So this is very interesting. This is all great. So Funativity definitely going to be a 5 because I mean there's Fallen and it's a $20 game. I mean it's a great game. I mean you could definitely have fun with that. Raritivity. Definitely a 5, because I mean, where would you get this? In the certificate. Where would you get this shirt? Where would you get these? Coasters. And where would you get the First Order Stormtrooper? And definitely the Surprisativity, a 5, because I mean, like, what are the chances that you're going to have the Fallen game? You're going to have this epic Doctor Who comic book. I mean, it's just all amazing. See you guys next time. Robot Logan Toy Reviews.